Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to use the YouTube comments like panel. First, you need to create an account on tubetoolbox.info. After that, log into your account. You will see a dashboard like this. Click on the Like Panel button. It will redirect you to YouTube comments like panel. You will get 2,000 credits for free every day. 1 credit is equal to 1 like. With 2,000 credits, you will get 2,000 likes. For this tutorial, I have selected random comments from Mr. Beast's video. Paste the comment URL in the text box and select the number of likes you would like to send. The minimum amount of likes that you can send is 50. The maximum amount of likes that you can send to comment is 200. Click on Submit button. It will take just a few seconds to send likes. As you can see, the likes are sent. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos.